If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: your customer has two competency sections on their performance form that are BR/auto-populated by the job code. What happens if the customer changes the names of all their competency categories? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: competencies will no longer appear in the form. Option 2: competencies will no longer be assigned to the appropriate job code. Option 3: roles will not have to be updated. Option 4: competencies will continue to display in the correct section of the form. Question: what happens when goal alignment is allowed in the goal plan? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1: users can push their goals to another user. Option 2: users can move a goal out of one plan and into another. Option 3: users can cascade align any goal on their goal plan to anyone in the organization for whom they have permission by role. Option 4: administrators can push strategic goals to designate hierarchies of employees within their organization. Question: you want to extract the entire compensation from SuccessFactors and import it to your own Human Resource Information System, HRIS. Which report must you run to capture compensation data from your current compensation plan? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1: aggregate export report. Option 2: spreadsheet report. Option 3: budget roll-up report. Option 4: compensation adjustment report. Question: how do you configure the employee information section on the performance form to preserve the user information that existed at the time the form was created, even if the user information was changed after the form was created? 1 answers. Option 1: by setting the attribute autosync -and #39, false. Option 2: by setting the attribute autopopulate -and #39, true. Option 3: by setting the attribute sync until completion -and #39, false. Option 4: by setting the attribute autopopulate -and #39, false. Question: what must you do before generating compensation statements? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1: grant all managers permission to launch statements. Option 2: publish the final compensation data to the employee profile. Option 3: recall compensation statements from the previous year. Option 4: send worksheets to the completed step in the route map. Question: which of the following features should be configured when using the goal execution status report? There are 3 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1: configure private goal permission for use with goal execution. Option 2: goal execution field definitions. Option 3: goal execution settings in admin tools. Option 4: goal management transfer wizard. Option 5: goal execution email notification template. Question: which element in the compensation plan template XML controls the lump sum split? Response: Option 1: comp rule. Option 2: comp calculation. Option 3: comp budget rule. Option 4: comp salary rule. Question: where do you create a new performance form template? There are 2 correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1: admin tools -form template SE. Option 2 Provisioning-Form Template Administra. Option 3 Admin Tools-Manage Templates. Option 4 Provisioning-Managing Plan Template. Question: where are the pods permissions defined in Admin Center? 1 answer. Option 1 in Manage Template General Settings. Option 2 in Manage Template Introduction section. Option 3 in Performance Management Feature Settings. Option 4 in Form Template Settings. Question: the new CPM enhancement provides the ability within meeting mode to Option 1 Evaluate managers. Option 2 Distract employees from their commitments. Option 3 Allow users to create, edit, and delete short topics. Question: what must you activate to enable the notification to inform employees that they have received feedback on an achievement? 2 answers. Option 1 The dedicated notification in the Continuous Performance Management panel. Option 2 The dedicated notification in Email Notification Templates. Option 3 The dedicated switch in Provisioning-Company Settings. Option 4 The Intelligent Services in Admin Center-Upgrade Center. Question: if a form is stuck in a route map step because a manager who is supposed to provide ratings is currently on extended leave, how can an administrator keep the form moving forward? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1 Approve form. Option 2 Transfer form if there is a new manager. Option 3 All of the above. Option 4 Route form. Question: what can managers do with coaching feature of continuous performance management? 2 answers. Option 1 Send an email to request feedback from a peer. Option 2 Add one thing that employee did well. Option 3 Send an email to request feedback outside the organization. Option 4 Add one thing that employee needs to improve upon. Question: during testing you discover a field is missing from the goal plan. When you check the BR/XML it appears that the field is defined and the user has the correct permissions. What else do you check? 1 answer. Option 1 Role-based permissions. Option 2 Data model. Option 3 Plan layout. Option 4 Goal plan type. Question: where is legal scan enabled in a performance management form? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1 in Admin Tools-Legal Scan Library Import. Option 2 in Admin Tools-Legal Scan Library. Option 3 in the PM-XML template. Option 4 in Admin Tools-Manage Templates-Advanced Settings. Question: which of the options below would provide the best solution to the following scenario? Scenario: when rating a direct report and #39's performance, I clicked the link to the writing assistant for an individual competency, but did not see any predefined behavioral feedback or coaching advice to place in the comment box. What went wrong? Option 1 This is not a capability for competencies. Option 2, feedback for the writing assistant and coaching advisor has not been predefined for the objective library. Option 3, writing assistant and coaching advisor are only available when rating goals. Option 4, feedback for the writing assistant and coaching advisor has not been predefined for this individual competency in performance details. Question: if the attribute sync until completion equals false, will the job code get changed in the employee information section? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, the changed job code reflects at any stage of the form. Option 2, if an employee has a job code change between the time the form is launched and next opened, the new job code will be seen in the form. Option 3, the job code will change only in the PMV12 forms and not applicable to PMV11. Option 4, it will show the user and hashtag 39's job code data as of the form launch. Question: in a signature step, which of the following actions are allowed? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, a user can refuse to sign form if the reject button is enabled within the signature section. Option 2, users can be added to signature step by enabling the Add Signer feature within form template settings. Option 3, a manager can edit competency and goal comment fields on the form within the signature step. Option 4, a signature step can be inserted between modify steps. Question: where can you assign a job code to an employee in Admin Center? 1 answer. Option 1, update user information - employee import. Option 2, company settings - manage job roles. Option 3, company settings - manage competencies. Option 4, employee files - configure employee files. Question: where can you disable Ask for Edits options in the route map of a compensation form? Please choose the correct answer. Response: Option 1, under Admin Tools - Plan Setup - Settings - Advanced Settings. Option 2, under Provisioning - Form Template Administration. Option 3, under Admin Tools - Manage Route Maps. Option 4, under XML - Comp Config section. Question: what would you consider when using objective category weights? There are two correct answers to this question. Response: Option 1, category weight is independent of overall min/max weight. Option 2, a minimum/maximum weight may be set for each category. Option 3, a minimum/maximum weight must be the same for every category. Option 4, default category min/max weight must be within overall min/max weight limit. Question: this is used to record information, such as an evaluation of an employee and hashtag 39's performance during a review cycle in the SAP SuccessFactors system. Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, form. Option 2, PDF document. Option 3, document. Option 4, template. Question: the S in the SMART goal acronym stands for. Please choose the correct answer. Option 1, single. Option 2, start. Option 3, solid. Option 4, specific. Question: your customer uses a lookup topic to calculate custom budgets as shown in the attached screenshot. The budget is based on an employee and hashtag 39's country and status. In the template, the country is defined with the field ID and hashtag 39, custom country and hashtag 39, and the status is defined with the field ID and hashtag 39, custom status star. You need to create a custom field that contains the lookup value for the promotion budget %. What is the correct syntax for the calculated field? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1 lookup, 2012_custom_budget_poor custom country, custom status, 1. Option 2 lookup, 2012_custom_budget_poof and hashtag 39, custom country, custom status. Option 3 lookup, 2012_custom_budget_poor custom country, custom status promotion. Option 4 lookup, 2012_custom_budget_poor custom country, custom status 3. Question: what are the links between goal management and continuous performance management? There are two correct answers to this question. Option 1: goals can be linked to activities in continuous performance management. Option 2: goals can be linked to other topics in continuous performance management. Option 3: continuous performance management coaching can be displayed in the goal plan. Option 4: continuous performance management achievements can be accessed from the goal plan. Question: which of the following options best defines the term goal import? Please choose the correct answer. Option 1: a method of defining the basic abilities an employee must have to perform his or her role successfully. Option 2: a method of creating, editing, or deleting goals using a CSV file. Option 3: a method of moving goals from one goal plan to another goal plan. Option 4: a method of determining progress and successful completion of goals. Question: your customer has customized two compensation statements from the Success Store. One statement is used for employees in the manufacturing department and the other is used for all other employees. How do you make sure that the manufacturing employees receive the proper statement? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1: set default permissions for the statement template under Action for all plans. Option 2: make the manufacturing statement template the default template. Option 3: use role-based permissions in admin tools. Option 4: assign statement groups under complete compensation cycle. Question: user A wants to link a goal which already exists for user B. What permission in the goal plan do you use? Please choose the correct answer. Response. Option 1: cascade pull. Option 2: cascade push. Option 3: cascade align. Option 4: share. Question: your customer wants to use the hidden strength and blind spot thresholds reports for the 360-degree multi-rater. Where do you configure the thresholds for blind spots and hidden strengths? Option 1: under Admin Center - Form Template Settings. Option 2: in the Form Template XML. Option 3: in the Expected Ratings in the Competency Library. Option 4: under Provisioning - Company Settings. Question: where do you set up the restriction so that a user appears in only one active calibration session at a time? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Provisioning rightward arrow Company Settings. Option 2 Admin Center rightward arrow Calibration Sessions rightward arrow People. Option 3 Admin Center rightward arrow Calibration Templates rightward arrow Advanced. Option 4 Admin Center rightward arrow Calibration Settings rightward arrow Global Settings. Question: which features can you access using the Team Overview tab? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 Ask for feedback. Option 2 Open a 360 review form. Option 3 Get feedback. Option 4 Stack Ranker or Team Rater. Question: which permission types can be assigned to a button? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 None. Option 2 Read. Option 3 Enabled. Option 4 Disabled. Question: you configure a competency section of a performance management form to display with core competencies. What happens? Option 1 Competencies in this section are filtered by their categories. Option 2 Only job code mapped competencies appear in this section. Option 3 Competencies in this section include those marked as core in the competency libraries. Option 4 Only hard-coded core competencies appear in this section. Question: where can you download a goal plan XML? Option 1 In Provisioning rightward arrow Company Settings. Option 2 In Admin Center rightward arrow Goal Management rightward arrow Manage Template. Option 3 In Provisioning rightward arrow Import/Update/Export Objective Plan Template. Option 4 In Admin Center rightward arrow Goal Management rightward arrow Import Goals. Question: what tool is used to facilitate communication among managers to ensure similar performance standards are applied to all employees? Option 1 Calibration. Option 2 360 Multi-Rater Review. Option 3 Stack Ranker. Option 4 Performance Management. Question: your customer wants employees to be able to copy goals from a prior plan into their current plan. What button do you enable to implement this requirement? Option 1 Mass Assign. Option 2 Add Goal. Option 3 TGM/CDP Objective Transfer Wizard. Option 4 Smart Goal Wizard. Question: other than mobile, how many releases of updates per year do we have for SAP BR/SuccessFactors modules? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 2. Option 2 3. Option 3 4. Question: customers can only have one goal plan template active at any time. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 True. Option 2 False. Question: for goal management, roles are established based on the relationship between the BR/viewer of the goal plan and the subject of the goal plan. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: which of the following options assist you in troubleshooting when you make incremental changes to the XML of goal plan template files? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 upload a configuration workbook first. Option 2 modify the DTD to make sure it is up to date with the latest software release. Option 3 practice good version control. Question: when the spellcheck attribute is set to true in the attribute of the goal plan, on which type of fields can it be used? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 text fields. Option 2 enum fields. Option 3 text area fields. Question: the default category element must always display in the XML after all other category elements. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: in its default configuration, the extended goal plan template will allow a user to change the category of a goal by editing that goal. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: which of the following can be used to create a drop-down list on a goal plan? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 goal library. Option 2 enum field. Option 3 checkbox field. Question: when creating a new field that will be visible to end users on the goal plan, 3 actions must be taken in the goal plan template. Which of the following options defines an action that must be taken? There are 3 correct answers. Option 1 define the field. Option 2 grant permissions for the field. Option 3 add the field to the plan layout. Option 4 add the field to the form layout. Question: Donna Director supervises Mani Manager. If Mani Manager can review Donna /Director and #39's goals, permission has been granted to the role in the XML template. Choose the correct answer. Option 1A. Option 2 ed. Option 3 M. Option 4 EMD. Question: which role has the permission to read the milestones in the following example? Field permission type equals read role name, data f/role name field refit equals milestone / field permission. Choose the correct answer. Option 1 employee. Option 2 form reviewer. Option 3 manager. Option 4 HR representative. Question: the plan layout controls how the fields display when an end user views the plan. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: in the coaching area of continuous performance management, matrix managers can add items for improvement for matrix reports. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: continuous performance management can only be used with mobile application. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: the CPM notification has been activated to generate an email if a user has not created an activity within a defined number of days. If the threshold continues to be exceeded, what is the frequency of reminders? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 every 4 days if the threshold continues to be exceeded. Option 2 the number of days indicated in the CPM administrative console is used to determine the frequency of reminders. Option 3 only one reminder will be sent 5 days after the first email. Option 4 this notification in CPM does not support reminders. Question: in managed job roles, what should be used to do the mapping between a role and BR/employee information? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 the employee ID from the employee data file. Option 2 the job code from the employee data file. Question: the GUID designates the competency as a core competency. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: for success factors to recognize which competencies are assigned to which roles, __ are assigned to each role. Choose the correct answer. Option 1 competency codes. Option 2 job codes. Option 3 performance codes. Option 4 job family codes. Question: if a manager is looking at his own performance form, what role is he fulfilling? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 M. Option 2 M. Option 3 E. Option 4 Ed. Question: which section of the performance form includes information about the dates covered by the form? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Introduction. Option 2 Employee Information. Option 3 Summary. Option 4 Review Information. Question: if the customer wants one rating scale used for each section, it can be configured within each section in the XML template, or the instance, Manage Templates. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: customers can opt to have rating scales reversed, with 1 being the most positive number and 5 being the most negative. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: weighting individual competencies is always done within competency sections BR/ determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: in which of the areas listed below are the review dates for the performance management form configured? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 Form Template Settings. Option 2 Company Settings. Option 3 Manage Templates. Option 4 Report Settings. Question: the introduction section can only appear once in a form template. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: the auto-populate method for populating goals is reflected in this scenario. On the goal plan, a new goal is added, an existing goal is removed, and another existing goal is br/edited. All performance forms have launched for the year, but all goal changes, as br/described, have immediately been reflected in the goal section of the performance form. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: when using auto-sync, which button and #39s function is no longer relevant? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 add goal weight. Option 2 add rating. Option 3 add existing goal. Option 4 remove goal. Question: competencies that apply to all employees can be added to performance forms by being hard-coded to the form. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: if the Hidewicke attribute is set to true, which of the following does not display in br/the section? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 employee's start date. Option 2 writing assistant tool. Option 3 get feedback tool. Option 4 employee comments section. Question: it is a best practice for all item weights to total within a section? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 0.3. Option 2 0.5. Option 3 0.7. Option 4 1. Question: if the manual overall rating is enabled on a performance form, that manual rating will be r/be the rating of record for reporting and calibration purposes. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: which of the following options are attribute types that can be defined for a custom field in the performance form template? Select all that apply. Option 1 date. Option 2 checkbox. Option 3 text area. Option 4 integer. Question: the default permission in performance management is that everyone can see and br/do everything all the time. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: the system reads permissions from the top down, so you must set the most restrictive permission last. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: you can permission and hide the Team Overview tab for users who don't need br/access to it, such as non-managers. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: all employees appear in Stack Ranker, even those who do not have a performance br/form. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: calibration can be a step in the performance review process. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: you cannot set a threshold for the export function for calibration sessions. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: it is possible to hide the button that users can click to decline to participate in 360BR/reviews. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: for hidden strengths and blind spots reports to work correctly, thresholds must be BR/configured in the rater section. Where can thresholds in the rater section be configured? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 instance, manage templates. Option 2 XML template. Option 3 metaconfig. Question: what is the first step of the translation process? Choose the correct answer. Option 1 consultant configures translations in the test instance. Option 2 translation workbook completed by the customer and provided to SuccessFactors. Option 3 configuration sign off. Option 4 SuccessFactors copies from the test to the production instance. Question: which of the following are in scope for a translation project for goal management? There are 2 correct answers. Option 1 route maps. Option 2 competencies. Option 3 field labels. Option 4 goal categories labels. Question: you can use data from SAP SuccessFactors goal management to assign goals BR/ within the onboarding module. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: a functional integration point between performance management and platform BR/modules is job role information. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.